Continuing on with these ones, we're going to put our x squared area in the top left, our -6 area in the bottom right, and we're going to find two numbers or two side lengths that multiply to -6, and they need to add up to that positive one that we have in the middle term. So when we look at those numbers, we know that it's got to be positive 3x and negative 2x. That's going to give us the positive 1x, and we can see that our side lengths have to be x and x to give us x, like x squared here. And to get the positive 3x, we know this length is going to be plus 3, and this length here will be -2. So then we have our factors. We can check to see that it multiplies out correctly, that all the signs match up. So then we have x plus 3 times x minus 2. For this one here, same thing. We're going to end up with x squared, 25. And then we ask ourselves what two numbers multiply to 25 and add to 10. It's going to be 5 and 5. So we know that this is actually a square. We're going to have x plus 5 along the vertical and x plus 5 along the horizontal. Now it doesn't matter that this is not a square shape. We just need the four area parts. But it is a square because it is the same on the length and width. So we get 5x here, 5x here, and our factored form is x plus 5, x plus 5, and we can, since it's a square, we can write it as x plus 5 squared. So we have x squared, -30, and we're looking for two numbers that multiply to -30 and add to -7. Well, that's going to be 10 times 3. So we get -10, so that gives us -10x in here. We have plus 3 to give us positive 3x here, and then that gives us our -30, and so we have our factored form, -10 plus 3. So when we look at this, we can start generalizing some things. If we have a negative term, -c, a constant term, we know that the difference of the two numbers must be a difference because one factor must be positive, one must be negative. If we have a positive term for c, we know that they both have to be either positive or negative to give us the plus c. So we're looking for the middle term being a sum. So if it's minus c, we're looking for the middle number being a difference. If it's plus c, we're looking for the middle number being a sum.